Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Paula Ramos Salas. I'm 29 years old. I was born in a little town of Antioquia, but right now I'm living in Port Vila, which is the capital city of Vanuatu. Vanuatu is an archipelago that is located in the South Pacific Ocean, kind of close to New Caledonia in Australia. What did you enjoy doing in your free time? Well, living on an island is such a unique experience. So let's say that I love outdoor activities, going out for kayaking, snorkeling, spending time at the beach with my husband and my dog. We are a free COVID country since the beginning of the pandemic, so we have a normal life. We can hang out with the friends, going out for dinner. We don't have any types of restrictions. We don't have lockdowns or anything like that. So, we really can enjoy a normal life. About my job. Well, I'm a Spanish teacher. I've been doing this for 2 years now. I love the autonomy I have and the flexibility I have in my schedule. I manage to do everything I need to do during my week, like studying and taking care of the house, and like going out with friends, having a pretty balanced life. I guess there's nothing more rewarding than seeing the progress of your students and to see how committed they are with the language and with the culture, also with the Hispanic culture. So yes, I think it is a pretty interesting job for me. I've been learning English for a few years now, and the most difficult part for me is to express myself, to speak with others, and sometimes especially speaking with native speakers, I start sweating and I feel really uncomfortable. I use English for my daily and for my professional life, yes. The main language of the country is Islamar. As a second language, we have French and English, so I use it every day, yes. I hope I can be prepared with this class. I really hope just to be prepared for the IELTS and to have an enriching experience and to enjoy also, because learning a language is supposed to be fun also. So yes, thank you so much for your attention and see you in the classroom.